Hey everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and this is the daily vocab session. In this session, we discuss 5 words daily, which are important for exams like SSC, CGL, CHSL, CPO, CDS, IBPS, railways, defense exams, and all other different competitive exams. This session is also very helpful for those who want to improve their vocabulary. So, without wasting much time, let's start the session. So our first word is capitulate, which means to cease to resist an opponent or an unwelcome demand. So it simply means हथियार डाल देना या किसी की शर्तों को मान लेना. कोई ओपोनेंट है जिसकी कुछ शर्तें हैं या फिर कुछ कंडीशंस हैं, उनके सामने झुक जाना, उन शर्तों को मान लेना, सरेंडर कर देना. दैट इज़ नोन एज कैपिचुलेट. So let's look at the examples. Our first example is, after seeing himself on the news, the escaped convict decided to capitulate to avoid being shot by a police officer. So जैसे ही एक भागे हुए मुजरिम ने देखा अपने आप को न्यूज़ में, so he decided to capitulate himself. मतलब उसने अपने आप को सरेंडर करने के बारे में सोच लिया. ओके, उसने ऐसा डिसाइड कर लिया. Our next example is, I never thought my brother would capitulate and allow me to drive his car for a week. So here the capitulate means that his brother has has agreed to his demand of being of giving the car for a week. Okay, so here the capitulate means शर्तों को मान लेना. That is the correct meaning of it. Okay, our next word is estranged. Estranged means cause someone to be no longer on friendly terms with someone. किसी के साथ जब अच्छे संबंध नहीं बचते हैं, that is like friendly terms नहीं बचते हैं within a relationship or between two people or more than two people, that condition is known as estranged. Similar words are separated, alienate, antagonize. ओके, किसी को पराया कर देना है या अलग हो जाना, दूर हो जाना इन द सेंस रिश्तों में दूरी आ जाना. दैट इज़ नोन एज estranged. Let's look at the examples. Our first example is, also Beth had been estranged from her father for years. She came to visit him when she learned he was dying. So Beth अपने फादर से बहुत ज़्यादा क्लोज नहीं थी, दूर थी, बहुत टाइम से दूरी बनी हुई थी उनके रिश्ते के बीच में. बट एज सून एज शी केम टू नो दैट her father is about to die, she came to visit him. Another example is, recently estranged for months, the two friends have decided to meet and talk out their differences. Here also the meaning of estranged is the two friends who are have been separated or have distance in their relationship. Okay, so they have differences, so they decided to meet and talk out their differences. Okay, our next word is erroneously. As इट्स रियली सिंपल. नाम मतलब आप उसको रीड करते ही समझ जाएंगे क्या है. इट मीन्स डूइंग समथिंग इन अ रॉन्ग वे और इन इनकरेक्ट वे. सो डूइंग समथिंग रॉन्गली इज़ नोन एज erroneously. किसी चीज़ को गलती से करना या गलत तरीके से करना, दैट इज़ नोन एज erroneously. Let's look at the examples. It's a very easy word. The bank erroneously transferred the money to her account. So employees in the bank have they must have committed some mistake, जिसकी वजह से क्या हुआ कि वो गलती से अमाउंट जो है वो किसी और के अकाउंट में ट्रांसफ़र हो गया है. सो द बैंक erroneously transferred the money to her account. Our next example is, it had been widely and erroneously reported that Armstrong had refused to give evidence. So here also erroneously means गलत तरीके से. Okay, so let's move to the next word. That is, our next word is restive. Restive means unable to remain still, silent or submissive, especially because of boredom or dissatisfaction. Okay, so restive से कंफ्यूज नहीं होना है. रेस्टिव डजंट मीन दैट समथिंग इज एट रेस्ट. it means something that is restless. कोई भी चीज़ जो restless हो चुकी है due to like boredom or dissatisfaction, उसकी वजह से अगर कोई चीज़ restless हो गई, that is known as restive. Okay, so don't get confused with the term restive. It means restless, something that is restless. After let's look at the examples. After just a week of summer vacations, the kids were bored and restive, demanding new things to do. So here the kids were really like restless just after a week of summer vacations. Our next example is, as the clock ticked past 7:30, the wedding guests became restive and started to shift in their seats, wondering if something had happened. So here also the restive conveys the meaning of being restless. Okay, so the guests became restless. Our next word is nomadic. Here nomadic means living the life of a nomad. अब नोमेड क्या होता है? नोमेड होता है जैसे जनरली इन द सेंस, अगर कॉमन लैंग्वेज में बात करूँ तो मैं, इट इज़ नोन एज बंजारा. बंजारा जो होता है ना, जो मतलब बंजारे होते हैं जो जिनकी कोई फिक्स प्लेस नहीं होती, दे ट्रेवल फ्रॉम प्लेस टू प्लेस, यूं ही इधर उधर घूमते रहते हैं, अपनी लाइक लाइफ को ऐसे ही काटते हैं घूमते हुए. ठीक है, दे डोंट हैव एनी लाइक पर्टिकुलर प्लेस टू लिव. ओके, so those are known as a nomad. So nomad, a member of a community of people who live in different locations, moving from one place to another. Okay, that's what I said. So nomadic means wandering, like इधर से उधर भटकने वाला इंसान. Okay, let's look at the examples. Our first example is, because my husband is a long distance truck driver, his days are very nomadic. Okay, her husband is like, he's a truck driver, so his days are normally nomadic, wandering. Okay, so here the nomadic means भटकने वाला, भटकते हुए उस ट्रक ड्राइवर का दिन बीतता है. Okay, the nomadic tribe moved their camp several times a year. Okay, so here also it means clearly that there is a nomadic tribe. Okay, that moves their camp several times in a year. So एक tribe है जो अपनी जगह बार बार चेंज करती है, that is known as nomadic. Okay, so we have discussed 5 words today. So before ending this session, let's have a quick revision over them. Our first word was capitulate. Capitulate means to like cease to resist an opponent or an unwelcome demand, like to surrender. Our next word is estrange. Estrange means no longer on friendly terms with someone, like separated, alienate, or antagonize. Our next word is erroneously. Erroneously means doing things in a wrong way or in correct way. Fourth word was restive, which means restless. Okay, don't get confused with it. It means restless. And our last word was nomadic. Nomadic means wandering, one who moves place to place. Okay, which who doesn't have any particular place to live. Okay, so that's it for today, guys. Hope you have liked the session. If you haven't, please like the session and subscribe to the channel for the regular updates. We upload daily these vocab sessions. So to get the updates of updates of these vocab session, please subscribe to the channel. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.